Hello boys and girls from grade 2. Welcome to our new book 2A. This is Nufil Gattan and I'll go through episode 2 with you from our unit 3, Let's Find It. We will learn about a new letter sound and grammar. But first, let's go through our previous homework on our pupils book, page 35. You had a homework which was labeling what you can see. The list was shoes, trousers, and shirt. Let's check your answers together. That is correct, boys and girls. Shirt, this is trouser, and shoes. Shirt, trousers, shoes. Now, let's move on to our new sound. If we blend these two letters, it will give us a new sound in English. We have the letter T and we have the letter H. The letter T sounds T, T, and the letter H sounds H. If we blend the letter T and the letter H together, it will give us a new sound which is the. Repeat after me, please. The. Perfect, boys and girls. The. That is correct. The is for father, father, father. Repeat the word one more time. Father, father. Take a look at this picture. Father. Brother, 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 brother. Take a look at the picture and repeat the word. Brother, brother. Perfect. Take a look at this picture. Together, 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 together. One more time, boys and girls. Together. Can you repeat the word together, together? Together. Excellent. Mother, 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 mother. Take a look at the picture and repeat the word with our new sound, the. Mother, mother. Excellent. Weather, weather. Take a look at the picture. Weather, weather. Excellent, boys and girls. Clothes, 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 clothes. Take a look at the picture. Clothes. Excellent. Now, let's read the underlined words with the sound. So I'm going to read for you. Please follow me and try to find out the word with the sound. My father and brother went together to buy new clothes. I'm going to read it one more time. My father and brother went together to buy new clothes. What do you think, boys and girls? I'm going to give you a minute to figure out the correct answers. Excellent. My father and brother went together to buy new clothes. So, we have the words father, brother, together, and clothes. One more time. The words father, brother, together, and clothes. Can you repeat the words after me? Father, brother, together, clothes. Now let's read our sentence one more time. My father and brother went together to buy new clothes. Now it's practice time, boys and girls. Get ready. Try to circle the pictures that has the sound. The sound. I'm going to give you a minute. Excellent. Father, 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 mother, mother, mother. Perfect, boys and girls. Repeat the words one more time. Father, father, mother, mother, mother. Excellent. Now, let's classify the words with the same sound. We have two groups, and I'm going to read the list for you. Sh, mother, shirt, father, sheep, brother. One more time. Ship, mother, shirt, father, sheep, and brother. I'm going to give you a minute. Try to find out the same words with the same sound. Excellent, boys and girls. The first group is with the sh sound. We have the words ship, shirt, sheep. Again, ship, shirt, sheep. Excellent, boys and girls. The second group with the sound, mother, father, brother. Repeat after me. Mother, father, and brother. Excellent, boys and girls. So we have the two groups together. Let's repeat the words again one more time. Ship, shirt, sheep. These are the words with the sh sound. Mother, father, brother. These are the words with the sound. Excellent. Now, let's move on to our second part of our episode of today, which is the grammar. Take a look at the pictures and try to guess, where is it? Where is the monkey? Where is the monkey? Take a close look at the picture and try to tell me, where is the monkey? The monkey is in the box. The monkey is in the box. Excellent. Where is the bird? Take a look at the bird. Where is the bird? Where is the bird? Boys and girls, the bird is on the tree. Take a close look at this bird. It's on the tree. Excellent. Where is the snake? Where is the snake? Can you find out the snake? Where is the snake? It's under the rock. The snake is under the rock. Take a close look at the snake. It's under the rock. On, in, under. See, where is the bird? It's on the tree. It's on the tree. Where is the monkey here? It's in the box. It's in the box. And where is the snake? It's under the rock. It's under the rock. All right, boys and girls, let's look at the pictures, then answer. Take a close look at this picture. Where are your shoes, Ali? Look at D. Where are your shoes, Ali? Where is your dress, Haya? Where is your dress, Haya? Try to find Ali's shoes and try to find Haya's dress. I'm going to give you a minute. All right, boys and girls, where are Ali's shoes? Where are Ali's shoes? They are under the desk. Take a close look at the picture. They are under the desk. Excellent. Where are Ali's trousers? Can you find Ali's trousers? Where are Ali's trousers? Excellent. They are on the desk. They are on the desk. Where is Haya's dress? Where is Haya's dress? Take a close look and try to find where is Haya's dress. Going to give you a minute. Excellent. It's on the bed. It's on the bed. Perfect. Where is the plant? Where is the plant? The plant is under the window. The plant is under the window. Can you repeat the sentence one more time? The plant is under the window. Excellent. Where are the clothes? Where are the clothes? They are in the basket. Take a look. They are in the basket. Excellent. Now, let's have some more practice together. Look at the picture, then choose the correct answer from A, B, and C. Number 1, the book is space the table. Take a close look at this picture and try to find out where is the book. The book is space table. A, in, B, on, C, under. What do you think, boys and girls? Which preposition? The book is in the table, or the book is on the table, or the book is under the table? Excellent. The book is on the table. That is correct. Let's move on to the next one. There is a ball, space the chair. There is a ball, space the chair. Take a close look at this picture. A, in, B, on, C, under. What do you think, boys and girls? There is a ball in the chair, or there is a ball on the chair, or there is a ball under the chair? In a minute. Excellent. There is a ball under the chair. Take a look at the ball. Perfect. Let's move on to the third question. There are some apples, space the bag. There are some apples, space the bag. Take a close look at the apples. A, in, B, on, C, under. What do you think, boys and girls? There are some apples in the bag, or there are some apples on the bag, or there are some apples under the bag. That is correct. There are some apples in the bag. Perfect, boys and girls. All right, we have reached the end of today's episode, and we have learned lots of fun and interesting things. We learned how to use and use sound the in words, how to identify words with the sound, and how to ask and answer questions using prepositions of place. Thank you, boys and girls, for watching us for today, and we hope to see you in the next episode. Goodbye.